Why is God called Allah, and why does he have 99 names?
Okay, so the question is, why is God called Allah, and why does he have 99 names? That's the question. But you see, the Creator is called by different names in different languages. For example, Prophet Moses in Hebrew called him Eloha. Jesus in Aramaic called him Alaha. Muhammad, peace be upon them all, in Arabic called him Allah. And in French, the Creator is called Dieu. In Persian, the Creator is called Huda. In German, the Creator is called Good. And of course, in English, we call the Creator God. So, that's why God Almighty is called by different names in different languages. Rather, the Creator is called by different names in different languages. The other part of the question is that why does he have 99 names? Well, you see, the God Almighty has only one name. And the other names are the attributive names. For example, God Almighty is called in Arabic Ar-Rahman, the most kind, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, Al-Quddus, the holy, As-Salam, the source of peace, Al-Wadudu, the all-loving. So these are his attributive names.